In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wide View in Xero sales tax reports. If you work with sales tax regularly, you know how quickly a report can feel cramped. Wide View is a simple way to give yourself more room, so you can see more columns at once and make faster, clearer decisions. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, sign in to your Xero account and open the organization where you manage your sales tax. Once you're in, look toward the main navigation and choose Reporting. This is your central hub for financial and compliance reports. From there, select the Sales Tax Report. Xero will load the sales tax summary by default, which gives you a concise snapshot of tax activity for your selected period. Take a moment to review what you're seeing on this initial layout. You'll typically find totals by tax rate, taxable sales, tax on purchases, net tax due, and other key figures that help you reconcile what you owe or expect to receive. The summary layout is compact and useful, but when multiple rates or many transactions are involved, the columns can feel tight. That's where Wide View comes in. Locate the Wide View option on the Report toolbar and click it. The page will refresh and expand to use more of your screen's horizontal space. Give it a moment to load, especially if you're working with a large dataset, so the layout can adjust. Now that the report is expanded, review the wider sales tax report layout. With extra room, columns that were previously squeezed together display more clearly, descriptions are easier to read, and totals line up without wrapping. This makes it simpler to compare figures across tax rates and spot variances or outliers at a glance. You should notice less horizontal scrolling and a cleaner, more comfortable reading experience overall. Use this additional space to analyze the data more confidently. Scan across the key columns, confirm that taxable amounts align with your expectations, and verify that the net tax due looks reasonable for the period. If you manage multiple tax jurisdictions or complex rates, the wider layout can make cross-checking significantly faster. When you're done reviewing, you can continue analyzing on-screen or export the report if you need to share it or archive it. Xero allows you to export the sales tax report, so you can keep a copy for your records or pass it along to your accountant. That's it. By switching to Wide View, you make the sales tax report easier to read and analyze, helping you work with greater clarity and confidence.